Like that to front. I'll try outside. So like you can see, I pass the cable now. So come from the rear USB, come, and now it's connected, like you can see too. It's well connected. And now I will connect to the cable. I will turn the radio first. Nothing connected. And now let me try to show you. We'll try to show. Cable. Now what? Happens that phone is charging, but okay, and I try again, connect, and gives error. Happens that, okay, it's not working well.